How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing an ab workout. The exercise that I have chosen today is going to be vertical leg crunches. If you don't know how to do those, I will show you guys how to do them. We will be doing 5 repetitions, and then we will be taking 40-second to 1-minute rest periods. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. Let's get started. So to do this exercise, what you need to do, it's pretty easy to do, it's not too difficult, is we're gonna raise both of our legs in the air, vertical, and all we're gonna do now is crunch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Now, for demonstration purposes, I only do 5 repetitions. This is kind of the workout that I will do at home. I will do 10 sets, 5 repetitions, 50 repetitions in total. What you guys can do if you want is you can do 10 repetitions to give you 100 total repetitions if that's what you want to do. Either way, doing 5 to 10 reps is good in my opinion. You will see results in your abs. Trust me on this. I've been getting a ton of comments from subscribers on loving the ab workouts, and a lot of my subscribers getting results. Like, they are killing it. So many comments on my channel saying these guys are now getting abs and they're getting the ladies. They're like, wow, thank you, I got a girlfriend now, I got abs, thank you so much. That means the world to me, because those are pretty important things. 6-pack abs, girls, that's important to guys. Trust me on this. So you guys can get it too. Just keep working hard. 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really make sure that you squeeze. That's a big part of ab training, is really making sure you feel the squeeze. So again, just make sure you feel the squeeze every rep, and you will see some good results. Another thing too is that I have switched what I have been spending a lot of my time on lately. I've been doing another channel. I've decided not to continue to do that just because the growth itself hasn't been growing. A lot of people have been hating the videos. It was a reaction channel, so I expected that much from it. So just some fun hobby to do. I tried it out, didn't work out. Now I'm putting more effort, not more effort, I put a lot of effort into these already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put a lot of effort into this channel already. I just had a little bit of extra time. So I started doing another channel. Now that I won't be doing it, I have more time to concentrate on this channel and to concentrate on my schooling. If you guys don't know, I have been doing schooling, 6 months done out of a year. So it's been up and down, very stressful at times. And yeah, now I have a little bit more time to do that. I'm still gonna spend most of my time doing the videos on this channel, but I have like an extra hour probably to do schooling per day. So that does help out. That makes a huge difference. What I was doing before is I just do schooling on the weekend. Now I'll probably do it an hour every day. And it should help out. Another 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another thing I want to talk about is that it's getting to the end of the year. A lot of people are looking for New Year's resolutions. I'm not a big believer in New Year's resolutions. I believe in making goals for the year and achieving them. So it's kind of like a resolution, but a lot of people, most people's resolutions, they start in January, they end of January, start of February. That's not a goal. Your goal is all year. You got to kill it all year. You don't stop just because you get tired or because you don't want to do it. So I'm not a big believer in resolutions. I'm a big believer in setting goals and hitting those goals during the year. Basically the same thing. I'm just not a believer in the word resolution. Let's get started. Another 5 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo. Definitely feeling it in my abs, you guys. But yeah, I have some lofty goals for this year. Should be able to smash it. Got some financial goals. 2 financial goals. I won't say them on YouTube just because financial stuff you should keep with yourself. So 2 financial goals. I do have one for YouTube. I can tell you guys that. I'm aiming to hit 300,000 subscribers next year. So right now I'm averaging about 12,000 subs a month. So in a year that would give me roughly 150,000, 160,000 roughly. So yeah, 160,000 at almost 140,000 now should give me around 300,000 subs. That'd be freaking insane. Another 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did look at my channel. I was just going through videos and I noticed that when I hit the 25,000 subscriber mark, it took me, well, that was a year ago. So it took me a year and a half, I think, to get 25,000 subs and another year to get 100,000 more. So that's sick. That's pretty good progress. A year and a half to get 25,000, then a year to get 100,000 more. Actually 115,000 more. So in another year, I should be able to double that. I'm hoping to get 300,000 subs. That would make my day. That would be amazing. Another 5 repetitions, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another goal of mine, pretty easy goal, is just to celebrate the 1-year anniversary with my wife. So that's pretty easy. All I gotta do is stay with her. So she has to stay with me too. So I mean, we both love each other, so it's not that hard. Super easy goal, but important one. Your anniversaries are important, and your life with your significant other, your loved one, very important. So that's why I made that a goal. Celebrate 1-year anniversary with my wife. What is another one? There was 2 for that. There's 2 financial ones. Oh, okay, I'll tell you the other 2 after this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my other goal was to complete my medical transcriptionist course. So that course will be done in July. That's how the timeline is going. So in July it will be done, or end of June I should say, it should be done. I want to pass that. I did my first major exam for that and I did not pass. I got 1% below passing. Pretty close to a pass. So that kind of sucked, but I'm right in it. It's gonna be close if I pass or not. So that is a major goal for mine, complete it. The other goal is to continue doing the job I am doing. So just continue doing it. And yeah, that's another goal of mine. Another 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, those are my 6 goals. I didn't tell you 2 of them because they are financial. There might even be 7 goals, but I can only think of 6. There might only be 6. But yeah. Again, spend 1-year anniversary with the wife. 300,000 subs. I think I actually said 250, but hell, let's go 300,000. And then complete my medical transcriptionist and continue doing the job I am doing for the whole year. So those are my goals. Let's kill it. I want you guys to comment below in the comment section. Let me know some of your goals for the new year. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please also start following me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thanks guys.